day, so I apologize if the audio comes out kind of shitty because of the wind blowing into my phone's mic. But anyways, let's get to the video. So basically this video, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth about this Fly1 Niko Widebody kit. Some of you guys know who follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Link in my description below if you want to follow. I've been working on this white 370Z, installing his Niko Widebody. Same kit as mine, it's just white, not carbon. And I'm just gonna give you guys my honest opinion about the fitment of this kit and everything about the kit. So just a disclaimer, I'm not talking about Fly1's whole company. I'm just talking about this specific kit. I can't represent, my opinion doesn't really represent their company as a whole. I'm just talking about this specific kit. You know, with that being said, I did not install these fenders. It's not my work. No offense to whoever did it, but they did a pretty shitty job. Could have been a little bit better. Okay, so since we're talking about the fenders first, do not try to install the fenders by yourself. You're gonna have a hard time. Like, the fenders was probably the most difficult part about this install, when I did mine at least. Mine took me like 4 or 5 hours legit, because they don't really have pre-drilled holes for you to like stick them on and put the bolts in. So you have to hopefully get it right the first time, and if you don't, you're literally gonna be just pulling it out, unscrewing it, and screwing it back in until it fits, right? So it's a lot easier to have someone else with you, because you really have to finesse the shit out of those fenders to make them fit. Like, let's look at his gap on the fenders, and let's look at mine. And his was done by a professional body shop, apparently. That's what they call themselves. And then these are mine. The thing that looks similar is like this area. You can tell how it's not the most perfect line, but yeah, I think you guys know what I'm trying to say. There's some fitment issues that aren't Fly1's fault. It's the installer's fault. But there are some issues that are Fly1's fault. Like, if they just spent the time and made pre-drilled holes in the exact spot that the holes need to be in, that would literally stop a lot of people from complaining about the fitment of their fenders. Because if you don't have it right up there, it's going to be pretty shitty down here. The hood fits pretty nice. I don't know, can't really say much about that. It fits pretty nice. It looks pretty nice too. And for the flares, so flares weren't like tremendously easy. These front ones, I had to install them a little differently than I did on mine in order for them to line up properly. Of course they didn't line up like 100% on point, but they're the best that can be done with the way that this fender was fit on. Hey!
It's on bag.
You guys gonna be in the video.
What's up?
Yeah, that's the other one I was working on.
Hey,
Thanks, man.
Car get
That red one?
yeah.
No, that one, that was paint stripper, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, that one got fucked.
Yeah, the red, yeah, that looks like eggs.
Yeah, a lot of people ask me that. Yeah, I wish, man, I wish. Eggs would have been fixable. I guess, man. It's cool though, you know. Life goes on, man. Fuck it.
See that purple one? I was looking at it yesterday.
You guys got a car behind you. Alright, guys. See ya.
ya.
So I was supposed to upload this video like February 5th, and today's February 16th, so it kind of took a while to upload it, and a couple things happened. So, you know, keep watching the video, and I'll have like random parts maybe, or maybe it was added all at the end. I don't know. Keep watching it, you'll find out. But yeah, a couple things were added to both of the Z's. So yeah, stay tuned. Also, just saying that with this video, I don't mean any offense to Fly1. This is just purely my opinion of the kit as an installer. So anything I say, I don't mean it in an offensive way. I'm just talking directly about the kit and how it fits. Now, I'm not taking shots at the company or anything like that, because, you know, they did give me a good price on my kit, and one of my Fenders had like really shitty fitment, and, you know, we talked it out and he ended up sending me a whole new Fender for free. So shout out to Fly1 for that, for having good customer service. So shout out to Fly1 for that, for having good customer service and cooperating with me when I need it the most. So yeah, just clarifying that. Rear flares, this one went on pretty easily. I was actually happy that this rear flare right here went on pretty good. The second hardest thing about this kit are these side skirts. Like, they do not want to fit on. You really have to struggle with them, and even if you get them on, you're always gonna have that gap right there. It's on my Fenders, it's on my side skirts as well. You're always gonna have that. You can try whatever you want, but if you push it up from right here, it'll fuck up back there, and it'll fuck up around there. There's just like a lot of things that you can't really do, and if you like press on it to make it go up, it's gonna crack. And trust me, I've tried it on my own. I didn't want to fuck his up. I did like press it down a little bit to check, but then I realized that I was right and it was gonna crack, so I said fuck that, we're gonna install it the way it fits. This side was a tiny bit of a pain in the ass, but we got it. I guess every kit is made kind of differently, because mine, I had a lot of issues with this bottom area right here on mine. We'll look at mine real quick. I literally tried everything I possibly could to make it fit better, and it won't get any better fitment than that. Everything else on my kit went pretty good except for the side skirts and that. It's the same issue on both sides. There's just not much that can be done for it. With those few flaws being said, you know, otherwise the kit's pretty nice, honestly. It's really thick fiberglass, it's durable, it's not that cheap JP fiber shit, you know? Like, this dude, he really layered it thick. It's not flimsy. So with all those little facts being said, if you haven't installed at least like 4 or 5 wide bodies yourself, don't try to do this kit by yourself. Pay a professional, pay someone with experience, because you're gonna fuck up. Don't try to do it yourself. You're gonna have a hard time. Get help. You know, because you don't want to fuck up on a car, you know, that costs a decent amount. And I'll go into the air install layout. I did a pretty basic setup for him. It's nicer than mine. Mine looks pretty shitty still. I haven't finished mine. But yeah. Not really much to say. This Z is actually really, really nice. Wish mine had a front bumper. If you're still watching my video at this point, I'll go over the main things again. So one, get the fenders installed from somebody who knows what they're doing. If you don't have enough experience with fiberglass, because you have to finesse the shit out of it. And two, these are gonna be a pain in the ass. You need at least like Try to have 2 more people with you to push it in properly and hold it in place while you get the drill bits and like drill holes in. Don't try to use cheap drill bits to make the holes for the side skirts because they will break on you and you're gonna have a bad time. Other than that, everything's pretty easy. Make sure you seal your quarter panels properly. Don't be a bitch and just cut them and leave them. And yeah, these holes right here are from the new flares I'm trying to make right now. Most likely I'm gonna get rid of the Niko Widebody on my Z. I'm gonna try to sell it, and I'm gonna try to make my own custom kit. I mean, that's the plan. We'll see where I get with that. So if you guys are interested in buying it, you know, hit me up. All honeycomb carbon fiber. These are fiberglass. I'm not selling the fenders, just the flares and the side skirts and these rear flares. That's all you're getting. So these rear flares are partial carbon, means like up to like right here they're all honeycomb carbon. And yeah, this is the flaw that they have on them. I don't know how that happens. I think they came that way. But yeah, nothing horrible. You can just sand that down and re-clear it. But yeah, if any of you guys are interested in the kit, hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat. Also, if you guys are trying to hit me up for these sexy ass Kinda Ruin banners, trying to join the movement, hit me up. You know, the link for the Kinda Ruin page is also in the bio. Don't be shy, you know. So with that being said, so Manny got Sebastian's wheels and they look fucking beautiful. Look at that. And also he paid me to fix the fender fitment a little more. So if you watch earlier in the video, you'll notice how shitty it was. I went in and did a little thing and fixed it. So this side came out pretty perfect, but this side, this was the best I could get it. I mean, it's not bad. It's better than before. I wish it could be better, but you know, just saying, this side on my Z also had an issue. So I don't know, maybe that's coincidence. Who knows? I don't know. And also I got a front bumper. I mean, I've had this front bumper. I've just been kind of lazy and haven't put anything on. And you can kind of hear that whine, right? I don't know, I think something blew. I think a belt blew or something. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Oh shit. So yeah, kinda supercharged the Z. Shout out to my boy Raj. He did it all for me since I don't really know shit about supercharging. Only thing I've ever installed was the Vortec on my 350. So I have it installed, done from Raj. Shout out to him. I'll make a video about him soon, because that dude has like a crazy amount of knowledge on basically anything car related. And you can see kind of lost the cap, so we just zip tied, or metal zip tied that in, because you know we're kind of ruined, so had to just make it fit in. But yeah, so currently I'm getting the tune done from Monsef from Admin Intakes, and yeah, man, wish me luck. We're just working on the tune, getting everything going, and yeah, that's basically the update I wanted to make. Supercharged my Z, got a front bumper, kind of, you know, I mean, I got tired of not having a front bumper, and I needed something to protect the oil cooler and the trans cooler and the heat exchanger intercooler thing. So I was like, you know what, fine, I'll just throw something on. And I don't really feel like making my own custom one right now, so it works, you know, it works. But yeah, that is the video, man. Alright guys.